that it will come pure blood, and this pure blood will goes again with aorta. Okay, this is aorta, remember aorta, very thick pipe, and aorta will bifurcates into minute arteries, and now it is oxygen rich blood. Okay, and as you can see here again that this oxygen rich blood come in contact with body tissue, so it will produce carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide rich blood with major vena cava will go again to your heart. Okay, in this way. So what I want to draw is four chambers. Okay, I'm teaching you this again and again only because I want to make you sure that you will understand this. Okay, so blood come right atrium, left atrium, right atrium, right ventricle, it will go to lung. Okay, in lung it will get purified, it will come in contact with alveoli. You know how alveoli exchange gases. Okay, alveoli exchange gases with bronchiole, and after that it will exchange gases with this blood. Okay, so this is known as pulmonary artery. Okay, and pulmonary artery will come again with pure blood from right left atrium to left ventricle, and it will go again. Okay, to all body part which is known as aorta. Aorta is a thick pipe. After that aorta will bifurcates into small arteries, and oxygenated rich blood is converted into carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, and these small blood uh, capillaries which are known as venules or veins. Okay, vein. Okay, veins, and it will get thick, and it is having carbon rich blood, and again the blood is returning to the heart. Okay, so in this case we can see two cases. Okay, in this we can see two cases. In these two cases you can see that blood is coming two times into our heart. Okay, one blood is coming into heart. Okay, at first time it is coming in this form which is impure form. Okay, and after it leaving heart to get purified, again it is taking a circle. Okay, it is goes to lung, and it is coming inside again. Okay, so at this time heart, the impure blood is taking in coming inside our body. Okay, and at this time the pure blood is coming inside our body, inside our heart. Okay, because it goes to lung to make it purified. So in these cases you can see, in this case, okay, in this case first of all the passage is with this impure blood. Okay, and it will go, and the second thing is the passage is with this color, or we can say with red color. Okay, so two things occur in the purification process. First time impure blood is coming. Okay, and second time pure blood is coming after purification. Okay, this goes for purification, this goes for purification, it will get pure and it will return. Okay, it will get pure and it will get return. Okay, and what is this? This is lung or alveoli. Okay, it is not not in contact with lung directly, it is contact with lung, alveoli. Okay, so in these two cases there is one time blood is coming in pure form, and which is the left part. Okay, and in second case blood is coming in right part, but it is in pure form. Okay, same time the blood is leaving two times. One time it is leaving our heart. Okay, the blood pipe is leaving our heart, which is carrying impure blood to go to make sure that it will go to lung, and again when the pure blood is leaving our heart. Okay, and it will go to aorta. Okay, so two times blood come into our heart. Okay, so blood come into our heart. Okay, first I am telling you, it is blood coming inside our heart. Okay, first when it is impure on the left portion, and second when it is pure. Okay, So impure is in left portion and pure is in right portion. Okay, so in two times heart blood comes in our heart. For first it come when it is impure, and after that it will come again when it is pure. Okay, so these blood comes inside our heart in two times, one time and two times. Okay, that is known as double circulation. That is known as double circulation. What is double circulation? Double circulation means that the blood is coming two times inside our heart. Okay, you can see it is coming this and it is coming this way. Okay, and you can see this is the diagram of our NCRT. So this is known as, this process is known as double circulation. Okay, it is coming via this part. Okay, then it goes to purify. Okay, it gets purify and it will return. Okay, and after returning it will go out via this pipe. Okay, so it is coming two times. Okay, in first time it is getting inside by this vena cava, and second time after purification it will get this time inside. Okay, so this is known as double circulation. Double circulation means the blood is getting two times in one time in impure form. Okay, and second time in pure form. Okay, after purification it will go, and after it will come in contact with lung, and it will get pure and will again return to your heart. Okay, so this is known as double circulation. Now tell me, if you have any kind of doubt, then tell me. Tell me if you have any kind of doubt. No, ma'am. uh Faizan beta, if you have any kind of doubt in this understanding, because it is a bit tricky thing. And if you are not having any doubt, then I will move on to another topic. No doubt. Okay, question. Yes, Saleh, ask me question. If you have any question, yes, ask. Don't hesitate me to ask your doubts. Okay. Yeah, our heart works continuously and it will never get tired. Our heart never get tired. There is a need of valves. Okay, we are having four valves. We know that we are having four valves. Okay, so there is a need of valve. Why there is a need of these four valves? This is the first valve, and this is the second valve, and this is third valve, and this is fourth valve. Okay, so there is chambers. Okay, so I'm writing, these are the valves. Okay, valve. Okay, valve. Okay, there is a need of valve. Listen carefully that if the impure blood may be, okay, if you heard about a disease which says that someone is having a hole in its heart, you may have heard a disease which is known as hole in heart. Okay, it sometimes sounds like dil mein ched aisa, you have heard this. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? That if the blood is coming this way, okay, blood is coming in this way, and the blood is coming in this way. Okay, so if the valve is not present, okay, think if the valve is not present, there are many chances, okay, that the blood will return again to this side. Okay, so if the blood will return again to this side, it will not go for further processing, or maybe it will not go to the lungs for further processing or further purification. Okay, so these things shows that the meaning that hole in heart, it means that it is the person is not having the valve. Okay, because this valve helps us a lot that blood will not return back. Yeah, there is a pressure of upcoming blood, but have you seen so many times, have you seen that if I do something like this, that if I'm sending something with much pressure, okay, if I'm sending something with much pressure, much pressure, and maybe due to this pressure it may get return. Due to this pressure it is possible that it will strike here and it may go return again. Okay, so what a valve does, a valve does a very simple thing, that if you are entered once, you cannot return, because the valves are closed in this way. If the blood is once the blood is inside, it will not get returned. Okay, so this is the use of valve. Okay, the valves are like door. Okay, it is like door. And so we are having double circulation, don't forget, because one times heart blood come in our heart in impure form and one time in pure form. So we are having double circulation, don't forget this. We are having four chamber, and we are having two valves for opening and closing. Okay, this I use this to make a valve. Okay, now for reptiles, okay, there are some organisms which are known as reptiles. You know what are reptiles? Lizard and crocodile is only reptile which is having four chamber like us. Okay, crocodile is an organism which is having four chamber heart. It is reptile, but it is having four chamber. Other than all the reptiles like lizard and tortoise and chameleon and all, okay, they are having three chamber. They are having three chamber. Okay, why so? uh, Look at this. Okay, this is a four chamber heart. Okay, this is a four chamber heart. Okay, and I'm drawing a three chamber heart. In three chambered heart there is two atrium and only one ventricle. Okay, so these are two atrium upper and only one ventricle, no left right. Okay, so this is the chamber of reptiles, very all reptiles. Okay, reptiles, all other reptiles, and this is the chamber of crocodile like us. Okay, so what happens exactly, that in crocodile, okay, there is two chambers. So you can see that if there are two portions, left portion and right portion, and in left portion there is a dominating impure blood, and in right portion we can say there is a dominating red. Okay, but we studied this. Okay, but what about this? What about this? Okay, it may get impure blood from this side. Okay, and it may get pure blood from this side. Again, it is returning from after purification. Now what about this chamber? Okay, so what happened exactly, that pure and impure blood get mixed. Pure blood and impure blood get mixed here for reptiles. Okay, and if the pure and impure blood get mixed here, okay, then what is the need of doing this thing, that blood will go to lungs and it will bring oxygen rich thing, because it is oxygen less thing. It is oxygen less thing. Okay, and it is oxygen rich thing. Okay, now what happened next? Both of them are, this is a separating zone, but there is no separating zone, so there is a mixing of oxygen and CO2. Okay, now what is the meaning of doing this type of thing, blood purification? So for these reptiles, okay, they are having impure blood. Again, there is no worth of doing such thing. That what is the worth of doing this thing, that you're making blood pure and making it, you are taking this blood to lungs to make it pure, because finally they will get mixed. They will get mixed, so there is no use, and definitely there is no use. So I will tell you this thing in detail on tomorrow. You can see the difference, that crocodile are having, definitely they are having some advantages, because this is a very good thing when both of these things are separate, and this is oxygen less thing and this is oxygen rich thing, and they are not getting merged anywhere. Both of them are having separate pipes. Okay, but here they are getting merged and there are no separate pipes. Okay, we studied that both of them are having separate pipes. One is carrying impure blood to lung and one is, after that there is nothing, you cannot see mixture of these two blood types anywhere at a single place. You cannot see the mixture that both these blood types are mixing. It is separate oxygen rich and it is separate carbon dioxide rich. Okay, so they are not separating, and we are getting very pure blood. We are getting very pure blood which is oxygen rich always. Okay, but for them, but for these reptiles, okay, there is no use of doing this type of blood purification because it will get mixed. Okay, it is having both oxygen and CO2. Okay, so I will tell you, and crocodile is definitely having some advantages over these other reptiles. Okay, because it is having pure oxygen rich blood, and now there is useless thing. If you are not having chambers, you cannot separate your bloods. It will get mixed. There is no right portion and left portion. Okay, so we will study this on tomorrow. Okay, so right now I'm finishing my class. If you can search, if you want to search, you can search, or I will tell you this on tomorrow.